In the event that you're searching for Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Smooth Love Mixture SLP will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Smooth Love Elixir SLP and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Smooth Love Elixir is $0.038 and SLP is right now positioned #355 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Smooth Love Elixir is 41,395,220,525 with a market cap of $158,809,561. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.59% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Smooth Love Elixir is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SLP is down to nearly 1.82% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We foresee future Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations up estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Smooth Love Mixture. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past cost, Smooth Love Mixture market cap, Smooth Love Elixir volume and barely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast Synopsis. Smooth Love Mixture SLP is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.085 constantly 2025. The ongoing business sector cost of one Smooth Love Mixture is $0.038. Smooth Love Mixture SLP is gauged to arrive at a typical cost of $0.0479 toward the finish of 2030. The negative cost expectation for Smooth Love Mixture SLP in 2040 is $2.41, with a likely high of $3. Our Smooth Love Elixir long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends SLP possibly going somewhere in the range of $3.23 and $3.71. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2024 the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.049. The Smooth Love Mixture value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.057 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.051 in USD. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2025. Smooth Love Mixture cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.068 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.085 with the typical estimate cost of $0.071. SLP value figure for 2026. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.0101. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.012 with the typical worth of $0.0104. Smooth Love Elixir SLP value expectation 2027. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.015 in 2027. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.0174 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0155 all through 2027. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2028. The cost of one Smooth Love Mixture is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.0225 in 2028. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0263 with the typical cost of $0.0232 all through 2028. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2029, the cost of Smooth Love Mixture is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.314. the SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.383 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.324. Smooth Love Elixir SLP Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.0463 in 2030. The Smooth Love Elixir cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0558 with the typical cost of $0.0479 all through 2030. Smooth Love Mixture Value Gauge 2031. The cost of Smooth Love Mixture is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.0691 in 2031. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.0806 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.071 all through 2031. Smooth Love Mixture SLP Value Forecast 2032. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.0964. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.1192 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0993. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2033. Smooth Love Elixir cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.1365 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.1704 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.1415. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Smooth Love Elixir is supposed to reach $3, with a typical exchanging worth of $2.59. The base cost is projected to be around $2.41. SLP value conjecture for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $3.23 and can reach as high as $3.71 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $3.42. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture Facts. How high can Smooth Cherish Elixir go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Mixture SLP could go to $0.0751 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0.0232 mark. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today's Smooth Love Elixir SLP is exchanging at $0.038 with a market cap of $158,890,561. What is the fate of Smooth Love Mixture? The eventual